Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What we're going to do today is I am going to do three and a half, kind of four very quick, very easy last minute Father's Day gift ideas. If you have, most crafters, if you craft like on a regular basis, most people do have these things on hand already, or if you don't, they are very easy to go to the store and purchase them. So I am going to go ahead and go through a couple of quick little ideas that you can do as a last minute Father's Day gift idea. So if you need some inspiration, go ahead and stick around. Okay guys, so the first project I'm going to do here is going to be just a quick, simple little t-shirt. T-shirts are always a favorite go-to of mine when it comes to gifting. They're super easy to make. I typically have most of the stuff on hand to make it all of the time. If you're like an avid crafter, then you know you probably have vinyl and things on hand all the time. Oh, excuse me, all the time. So basically what I did was I just lint rolled a shirt. I do have a Gildan heavy cotton shirt. I did get it from Michael's. I just lint rolled it. I pre-pressed it for about 10 seconds just to get the moisture out. Now I'm lining up my vinyl. I am just using some white Cricut vinyl. I'm not going to cover it because it already has a carrier sheet. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press this after I get it all nice and lined up the way that I want it. You can use a t-shirt ruler. You can fold it and press it when it's like half folded. Whichever way you want to use to go ahead and find your center. But I just kind of eyeballed it, and now I'm going to press it for 30 seconds at 350 degrees. And I am using the 15 by 15 pull out heat press from Heat Press Nation. Now it is all done and it is a warm peel, so I'm just giving it a couple of shakes to cool it down just a hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and peel it off, and it should come right up. And I did get this design from Creative Fabrica. If you do have an account, I will leave my link down below. It will be $1 for your first month if you use my link, and then $19 every time after that. So I will leave that link down below. Now my second project is going to be a little jar here. So basically my husband, he likes to snack on like things like popcorn, caramel corn, the white cheddar popcorn, trail mix, things like that when he's at work. So what I'm doing is I am making a quick, cute little jar. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just putting on there the perfect mix. And like I said, this is I'm probably gonna put popcorn in this one, and then I'll probably make him another one, a second one with trail mix, because those are his two favorite snacks that he likes to have at work. And I'm gonna give this to the kids to give to him on Father's Day. But I'm just using some Cricut Smart Vinyl. I'm using some Cricut transfer tape, and then I'm putting it on a jar that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Super cute, super simple to make, and he is going to love it in his office. Okay guys, so the next project that I have here is going to be a sublimation mug. I believe it's called a camper mug, and I will make sure that I leave a link down below for this this mug, because I did get it from Amazon. I will also make sure I link down my paper and my ink and all of that as well. I do get those from Amazon as well, so I'll make sure I leave everything that I used that I can link down below. It will be in the materials section of the description box. But basically what I'm doing is I just trimmed it to fit like I trimmed all the excess white off, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and get some sublimation tape, and I'm going to go ahead and tape it all the way around. I'm making this for my dad. It's just a collage of my family with me and my husband and my kids. So yeah, that's all I'm doing is I'm taping it around. I'm gonna tape the seams down with sublimation tape, which again I did get from Amazon. So just make sure you check the description box for all of the materials. But I'm just making sure that the seams are taped, and I'm making sure that the paper is pulled nice and tightly around the mug so that I don't get any ghosting or any light spots. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put some painter's tape around the bottom of this. Now I do use painter's tape anytime I use sublimation. Typically if I'm using my convection oven, I will use painter's tape, and I have put painter's tape in the Cricut mug press and I've never had any issues. But I do want to point out that you have to make sure you use the good sublimation tape. You cannot use the Dollar Tree tape. It really doesn't work that well. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and get some butcher paper. I am using the Cricut brand butcher paper, which is way thinner. It's almost kind of like parchment paper a little bit. But what I'm doing is I'm just going to put a sheet of parchment paper / butcher paper around my mug so that I don't get any bleeding onto my mug press. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the Cricut mug press and close it. And this is going to stay in there for about 5 minutes. Now that it is all finished, it does beep and let you know when it is ready. So I'm going to take the mug out and remove the paper, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove the sublimation paper and the tape, and we're going to see how it looks. Please don't forget to join my Facebook group, Crafty Mamas with an S. I will have a link down below for you to go ahead and do so that you don't have to search for it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And this is how this mug turned out. It is super cute. Now that light spot right there, that is actually the picture does have a light spot on it. I was going against the sun, so that picture does have a little light spot on it because of the sun. But all of the rest of the pictures came out super, super cute. I love it, and it is so easy. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.